beyond luxury and beyond imagination. The maker of Las Vegas Bellagio. Living here is like living in a 7-star hotel. Now they are here to light up and level up your celebration moments. The makers of Royal Fountain Dubai, they are creating the 8th wonder of the world, unveiling you the crown of Gurgaon Elan the Emperor. गुड मॉर्निंग व्यूअर्स, आई एम हिना कॉल फ्रॉम housypoint.com. गणेश जी और लक्ष्मी जी को नमन करते हुए वी विल स्टार्ट विद टुडेज वीडियो. आर यू रेडी टू विटनेस द रेवोल्यूशन इन गुड़गांव's real estate market? Unveiling you the crown of Gurgaon Elan the Emperor, which is already pinned on a global map. A special salute to Mr. Ravish Kapoor, who has envisaged this miraculous project Elan the Emperor, which is located bang on Dwarka Expressway, Sector 106, and has already been pinned on global map. And this is one step to fulfill the dream of Mr. Nitin Gadkari to make Dwarka Expressway the next Singapore of India. Elan the Emperor, which is spread across 50 acres, this is going to be the most cleanest patch on Dwarka Expressway because there is no high tension wire, which means you will be living radiation free. And there's another amazing point. Till now at Golf Coast Road there is no 5-star hotel, but when you get yourself a luxurious home on Dwarka Expressway in Elan the Emperor, you will be getting the opportunity to live in and around the walking distance of 5-star. Yes, the agreement has already been signed with JW Marriott, and you are going to witness the first 5-star hotel on Dwarka Expressway. If you're inspiring to own the luxurious home in Gurgaon, then you continue watching this video. Elan, they have onboarded all the international consultants from across the world in order to build a man-made marvel in Gurgaon. Later, the makers of India's, not just India's, world's most expansive home of Ambani's, the Antillias, and the makers of our very own Camellias, where all the billionaires live in Gurgaon, they are being hired as the construction partners of Elan the Emperor. The visionaries who have landscaped the Burj Khalifa are here to shape your oasis. Elan the Emperor, they have hired SWA, your landscape architect. The interiors of your lifts and your personal space is being built by HBA. They are the visionaries and creator of Ritz-Carlton, the Orlando, and now they are going to create your personal space. The water features is being done by WET, the makers of Royal Fountain Dubai, and the maker of Las Vegas Bellagio. CD Plus M, who have lit up the Burj Khalifa, will now brighten your every moment. The pioneers who have designed the Changi Airport, Singapore, now they are here to light up and level up your celebration moments because Elan has hired Miro, the club contractor. Elan, they are creating the 8th wonder of the world. As I mentioned that they have hired Miro, those who have created the Shanghai airport, and now they are going to build your expansive clubhouse. And Elan is spending 700 crores, whooping 700 crores in making of your clubhouse. So imagine you are going to be having your recreational and entertainment moments in this 8th wonder of the world. Elan is spoiling you for luxury. Living here is like living in a 7-star hotel. And Elan is giving you an opportunity to own a slice of heaven. Elan the Emperor is beyond luxury and beyond imagination. Now let's talk about the 50 acres of ecosystem, out of which 30 acres is focused for your residential, 14 acres is focused for your commercial, and 6 acres is focused for your future expansion and development. Now let's talk about the units and the sizes. Elan the Emperor has already received a RERA for 5 Majestic Tower, but right now in phase 2, they have only openings and selling for 3 Majestic Tower, in which you will be getting 4 BHK and 5 BHK to choose from. The 4 BHK is starting from 4,300 square feet to 4,600 square feet, and 5 BHK is starting from 5,400 to 5,800 square feet. And you will be getting 9 palatial penthouses, sizes starting from 7,000 plus square feet to 10,000 plus square feet. And in total, you will be getting 340 units to choose from. So that Elan the Emperor have already received RERA for 5 towers, but right now only 3 towers are for sale and have been launched. But in another 3 to 4 months, another 2 tower will be launched, and then you will see the price appreciation of 4,000 to 5,000 square feet. So this is the golden opportunity for you to avail the maximum benefits. And housypoint.com has kept exclusive discounts just for you, so you can call us on the numbers flashing below for more details. Let's talk about the branded residences. As of now, you must have heard about the branded residences only in Dubai, but now Elon is envisaging and aiming to launch those branded homes in India by launching the iconic tower in Elon the Emperor, and the prices will start from 50,000 per square feet. So imagine if you buy and invest right now in this majestic tower, what kind of appreciation you're gonna get in future because of the upcoming iconic tower. So be smart, invest today, get in touch with housypoint.com and we will get you the best deal. Now let's talk about the construction. The construction is in the full swing, and as you all know that Leighton is the construction partner, so imagine the kind of standards and the quality is being taken care while the construction. And as we visited the construction site, I was amazed to see they have already created a 60 mm diaphragm wall, and they have elevated it to such an extent that this project is become a flood prone project. This project itself is a self-sustainable project. As Elan is making it their flagship project, they are super intrigued about the minute details of the project, and they are taking all the measures to deliver a quality project for you. And the project is at such level that IIT Roorkee, they have given it a certification of golden construction. Have you ever heard that RO water is being used for the construction? Yes, Leighton is using RO water for constructing Elon the Emperor. Why they are using RO water? Because it is going to remove all the chemicals and impurities, and this will make your project a strong and reliable project. Also, as it's Leighton, so they have prepared a software and a special app to keep a check on the quality measurement, so that they can keep an eye so that no substandard product is used in the construction. And on the construction site, there are 2,000 plus workers, and Leighton has taken a good measurement, good care of the workers as well. They have provided them the labor quarters, they have provided them the basic hygiene, basic amenities, good clean food, and they have also provided them proper training of the gears, and there is a 24 hours MBBS doctor appointed in case of emergencies. They have actually curated a humane environment for the workers as well, which Indian contractors lack in doing. So that's why it's called Leighton. Also, Elon the Emperor is going to be earthquake-prone project because the construction is happening on a seismic 5 zone. To know more details about this project, you call us today and we will arrange an exclusive preview for you, which is at 2 Horizon. The office of Elan is at 2 Horizon, and if you want, we will also plan a construction site visit just for you. If you want to know more about this lucrative project, call us today on the numbers flashing below, and housypoint.com will book an exclusive preview for you, just for you at Elon's office. So thank you for watching housypoint.com. Do like us, subscribe us, and do share and leave your comments. housypoint.com will book an exclusive preview just for you.